What's the boldest claim you're comfortable making about ROI of your solution?
Just from an energy standpoint, we are seeing that if users take actions based on our insights, at the time when we show that their energy consumption has increased by 10 to 15%, then itself, basically, we are seeing 3 to 5x ROI just in the saved energy. Yeah. But if it is also a production critical machinery, they not just save energy consumption, but the ROI on the saved downtime can be 10x, 25x, like that, right? The problem is only 10 to 20% of the machine in any given plant are production critical. 80% are not. These 80% are still consuming energy.
Right.
And some of the slow speed equipment, they can consume a lot of energy for a long time before even encountering a downtime, right? And even when you have a downtime, you have standby equipment. So really, no, you're not saving downtime and you're not getting ROI on downtime. But if you take action early enough, the energy saved itself will provide you multiple times the ROI of this, for this technology.